All right, let's talk about this adorable two-piece set. Crop top with fold over flare leggings. Perfect mix of cozy and confident. So here's the top with the standard crew neck. It is a deep navy blue. It's not coming over as navy, but it is a deep navy blue. So cute, effortlessly put together. My daughters love these two-piece sets. So the leggings are a fold over waist. Look how cute that is. Let me just open it up here. A fold over waist. So cute. So soft, so stretchy, so sculpting in all the right places. It hugs without clinging, and it moves with you from Starbucks to the couch. This fold over waist is literally genius. You can wear it high for a sleek, comfy fit, or fold it down for that laid back twist. Very versatile outfit here. We got lounging errands, style it up with sneakers, casual outings. My kids are obsessed with these. Obsessed. They love them. Plus, it washes beautifully. I do wash it on warm, and then I dry it for only 5 minutes and hang to dry. They nailed the balance on this between comfort, stretch, and style. This really has those main character vibes, main character energy, even when you're relaxing at home, being all comfy and carefree. Highly recommend this two-piece outfit. This video has been sponsored by the brand.